guys, welcome to VEDA Day 5, Life of Alika here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Woody from Toy Story. I did start off filming it, but then my camera didn't like it, so it's going to be a step-by-step. This is a new editing software to me, so I'll see if I can do a voiceover, but I don't know. So yeah, here you go. So we're going to start off with Woody's eyes, which is just 2 circles. Here we go, it helps you can see my pen. There we go. There you go. Next we're going to draw the iris, so it's just a little circle in the middle. There you go. Next we're going to add a highlight circle, so it's just one of these little bows. There you go. Next we're going to be drawing the black part of the eye, so you need the circle under the highlight and then we colour it in. Next we're going to do the eyebrows, so you just need to draw an arch, a little bit up, and then back down to it. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Arch, up, down. Next we're going to draw the nose, so you need to get right about where my pen is, right under one of the eyes. You just draw a little arch, and that's the nose. Next we're going to draw the mouth, which is just an arch, so you start from there, go across, and then you start a little bit inwards, and then just do another arch underneath, like that. Next we're going to do the teeth. I would start a little bit more left to where I did because I kind of messed up, as you can see they're a little bit too far over. But draw a line down, then across, then up. And then you do the same on the bottom side. I got these more accurate as far as the placing of them. As you can see, that's how it's supposed to go. Next we're going to do the dimples. So again, just up by the corner of the smile, just a little line, little curve. And the same on the other side. There you go. Next we're going to do his jawline, chin, I don't really know what to call it, that thing. So next we're going to do the outline of the face, so you do the top rim of the hat, which is just over the eyebrows. And then go to the corner, go round, then do the other side. And next we're going to do his hair, which as you can see is just by the hair and then down a little bit, like it's just a little curve. And then he has some showing at the top of his hat, so yeah, just do that one. And then for the hat you go round, and then you just do the same on the other side. Sorry, the picture's getting blurry. And then you just go up and like a dip for the hat. And then you do 2 little lines up, so they're kind of centre for the top rim of the hat, and then just go across and you've got the hat. So next you need to add the stitching, which is just little curves, as you can see, and that's the hat. Now you just do the ears and then little marks in the ears. Next is a little handkerchief, necktie, you know the thing. Then we're going to be doing his t-shirt, so you just go straight down, again on the other side, then just the arch around. Next you draw the star. I wouldn't recommend drawing it this way, but I did. Then you need to do a line for the collar, a line for the other collar, you can't really see it. Then you need to do his jacket, so it's an arch a little bit above the top. You do the belt, I believe, yeah, belt, buckle, then 2 little lines for the belt loops. The buttons, which are just 2 circles, then the line down for his shirt, like the cow patches on his jacket, just draw a few in, and then colour them in. Next we're doing the trousers, so you just need a little bit of an arch and join that up. Draw a line, the 2 lines down the middle, pockets, then 2 lines down for the main part of his trousers. The arches for the feet, so you just go round and up a little bit, then in, then the bottom part of his shoes, like the sole, and go up a little bit, across so it joins to the leg, and that's his boots. Then the other part of his leg, which is just down a little bit, and then up and in, connecting to that line you just drew, and the same on the other side. And then where they've gone in, just draw the line. Same on the other side. Next we're going to do his holster, which is just a little line out, down, and curved in. Next is the arms, so you're just going to do 2 lines out for measurements just past the holster, a little curve for the thumb, a little like, I don't know, mark, and then round again for the first finger, round again, sorry the picture's really blurry but I thought I'd include it, and then again for the thumb, and then just join it up. I didn't do this very well as you can see, so I just did the other side. Next is the sleeve for his shirt, same on the other side, the cuffs, and then we're going to do his little like necktie thing, so just an arch out, and curve it round. And there you have it, there's Woody. You can colour him in. Yeah, like and subscribe. I'm making new videos every day of August. Thank you for watching, bye!